Let's go, everybody.
I didn't get to take them. I was taking care of a few things.
Oh, we're vibing today.
Be right back.
Nice.
Yo, what's going on?
Morning.
It's game time. What's up, Greg?
What's up, man?
What up,
All good?
what up, what up? What's up, everybody? Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday. Happy middle of the week.
What up, what up, what up? Check. Okay, let's see this.
Okay, the two levels I'm watching right now. NQ is between 780, 747. These are the two main levels I'm watching to take the direction.
Check.
780 and 747. So right now we are at the middle of this, guys. Let's see what happened at the opening. So basically, this will help me to define the direction. If they decide to break 747, we shorts at least until 722.
Check.
If they decide to break 780 to go up, we can go to 888. So it's a long trade. See what we get. See what happens. See what NQ decides to do.
Let's get it.
Showtime.
It's showtime. Let's go. Let's go. I'm trying to get my other mic. Check. Let's go. Check. Okay, there we go.
We're touching 747 right now.
Let's go.
I think that the next level is too close, which is 722.
Yo, today is the day. If you've been looking to try Alpha Futures, you can use code Jdun20. JDUN20 for 20% off all plans. That is the biggest discount in the industry right now. Everywhere else is 10%, not Jdun20, baby. Go get yourself funded today. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's make some money today. How about it? Government is shut down.
Okay, 790 now, huh?
Up to.
Shit, too much. It was too fast. Somebody.
1,000 verse. Let's see. Don't. Let's make some money today, everybody. How about it? All right, Wiz, I see you. I don't puff no more, but
I'm getting ready with the launch. I haven't triggered yet. Standing by.
you looking for the longs? Is that what you said? Looking for the longs?
Yeah.
Let's see what they give us. Let's see. Yep, for the next day, you can use code JDUN. Use code JDUN20 with Alpha Futures for 20% off. Use code JDUN20 for 20% off Alpha Futures. Let's go. Go get your 3 accounts. Greg's in the longs. Greg's in the longs.
K08.
You know, I got to get my normal playlist on. It just feels right. Right.
What's up?
Come on, let's get some likes. Let's get some likes moving too.
You looking for a trade here, Greg?
What's so good about Alpha?
I took the
they're never.
ones.
Okay.
They're not that new. They've been around for a long time in the CFD space, but they're just like Top Step. If you like Top Step, you'll love Alpha Futures. They have higher payout caps too. Instead of 5,000 a week, you can get 15,000 per account.
Open. Trimming some stop loss at break-even. A0.
Greg's trimming his longs too, guys. As long as we just talked about.
Free trade now.
Greg's trimming his longs.
Get a big trade or a small trade from this point.
Let's go. Give you a big trade. Let's go.
Second green trade of the day, guys. Let's go. Let's go. If you're on this trade, please keep it tight. Let's see if we can get 888 weekly level.
Was a nice little scalp off the open, Greg. I like it. I like it, my bro. How's everyone doing?
Stop out, guys. In profit.
Stop out in profit. Nice. Where is Mr. Gene? Where is Sleeping Beauty at? Where is Sleeping Beauty at?
Another one.
Good morning, everybody. I appreciate y'all being here for the live streams. Hopefully you all did something positive for yourselves yesterday. Got a good night's sleep. You're ready to trade smart, trade safe. You already know. And as I told you before, we got a special discount with Alpha Futures. They are basically Top Step 2.0. You can have 3 accounts, but the payout caps are at 15,000 versus only 5,000. I love the advanced plan. The advanced plan is my favorite, and then the zero plan. Getting the screen share going. Team Bulls. Bulls of the team. Code Jdun20. Code Jdun is for all the firms, but code Jdun20 is the discount for Alpha today. You'll save 20%. Yup, now is the best time to try them. I definitely recommend the advanced plan. You can get 3 accounts. You'll save 20% with code Jdun20. I appreciate you supporting. I'm going to do my best to help you pass those evals today. Go get yourself an eval. I'll do my absolute best to help you pass them. Well, it's a 2-day pass, so it's just like Top Step. Let's go, everybody. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hopefully everyone had a nice morning, Team Bull Familia. Hopefully everyone had a great day. I'm ready to make some money. Trading while the government shut down. Tell you what's not shut down. Team Bull headquarters. I tell you what, I'm going to tell you what is going to shut down, though. My brain after I pay this estimated tax today, or my quarterly payment. That's what's going to shut down. I'm about to send the IRS $250,000 today. Tell me that don't hurt. Thought you're having a bad day? Are you paying out $250,000 and getting nothing in return? Well, your day's not that bad then. Yeah, literally, I'm sending a Lamborghini Huracan to the IRS. Yeah, I should call and be like, hey, now that I'm sending you guys $250,000, can you guys like reopen now? Is that enough down payment to get us up and running again? I know y'all aren't going to spend it on anything good anyway, so I'll just put this little down payment down and we'll be good to go again, right? Jdun saves the government. Government averts shutdown with with a Jdun trades down payment. Y'all are funny. Y'all are funny. Used code Jdun on Tradeify today. Thank you, Tom. I appreciate you, bro. I have a good accountant. We write off a lot of stuff. I just unfortunately make a lot of money, so I have to pay taxes on it. Well, not unfortunately, but that's how it goes. When you make, and I say this in the most non-arrogant way, but when you make millions of dollars, you pay taxes. You pay a lot of taxes. It's just how it goes. Now, if you're like, for example, a good example, we'll talk about this stuff later when the market settles, but like, for example, Trump's paid like minimal taxes, right? Because he leveraged tax code and commercial real estate specifically, but I don't want to put all my money in commercial real estate. You know? All right, you gotta stop sending that's clearly a bot. I had to block you, bro. I'm sorry.
Okay, for another trade.
There's Mr. Gene. Sleeping Beauty's here, guys. Oh, my door's locked. Whoops. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? What's brown in Spanish? Huh? What's brown in Spanish? Cafe. What's up, cafe? Amigo. My cafe amigo's here. Mr. Gene. Don't. What up, Omar? Da 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 da. All right, let's see what the Nasdaq wants to give us today. Don't. Can my heart beat slow? I want you to know I need NQ by my side. Can you trade Alpha and Tradeify together? You can with a trade copier. I don't like trade copiers though. I only use I'll link my accounts on Tradeivate, but I won't link multiple prop firms through like TradeSyncer. That's just my personal preference. Guy needs an entrance song. You know what? That's not a bad idea. Give me some tips. Need an entrance song in a team bowl every morning. You know what I would do? Here'd be my entrance song. Bro, I went to Metallica at and I'm looking for trades, guys, just so you're aware. If you're new here, I promise we don't sit here and bullshit the whole time. It's just the first 15 minutes I don't really trade. I went to Metallica in Denver, bro. That concert was crazy. That concert was insane. I don't want it to take away my live for copy. I wonder if there's the instrumental. Oh, Seek and Destroy, bro. My son loves that song. My 2-year-old loves Metallica. Loves. I'll have to take a video of it. I'll put some Seek and Destroy on today. He just starts banging his head. I'm like, oh gosh, you're my kid. You're stupid.
He does. He gets scared.
Does he? All right, let's see. As a reminder, TikTok, I am also live on YouTube as well. So if you'd like full screen share, you can head on over to YouTube. It's Jdun Trades. I'm live on both. JDUN Trades on YouTube. You get full screen
Yeah,
share.
it's about to drop, team boy.
And you can see a little more of the chart.
Heads up.
Also, as a reminder, too, you can use code JDUN20 with Alpha Futures for 20% off. That is the only code in the world right now that gets you 20% off. If you've been thinking about trying a firm very similar to Top Step with higher payout caps and no consistency rule on the advanced account and no scaling plan, check out Alpha Futures. I don't know if we're going up or down. It's tough to say. So, Gene, I'm good to trade these. I'm good to trade these Top Steps since they took the balance out, right?
Yep.
All right. Took another $5,000 from Top Step yesterday. Funding's all good. I just have to wait for it to hit my bank. I actually took $5,500, $1,100 per 5 accounts. So got a $5,500 payout from Top Step yesterday. That felt good. It's not even close to what we got on the way, though. All right. Our zone is, or our 15-minute range is in, not zone. Why did I say zone? It's not the zone. Why does it always high right here? We also have this, we're pretty close to the midline area. Not quite there. If we get a pullback a little farther into the zone, I actually decently like longs. I think it's worth.
I have to go for a minute, guys.
What?
I have to go for a minute. So
Oh, see you, bro.
if I take another trade, I will take it on the chat. Okay. Take care, guys. Please trade smart and trade safe. Bye bye.
What's the low of this candle? 762. 782. What do you like, Gene? I always like longs, bro. What do you mean? I like shorts, bro. I at the core, I
Greg
love
already
trading.
leave?
Greg dipped. Greg hates us. He dipped.
Into it.
Gene been on a generational run.
You want to go on a run?
I'm watching for longs down here. We'll see. I'll let you guys know if I take it. Little too aggressive right now. That's a pretty aggressive candle. If it closes like this, I can't long that. I wanted to see us bounce this 50% retracement area, wick up, and then keep stops below the wick. But with an aggressive full body candle like this at higher volume, there's just no scenario where I long that. So that's why you wait and stay patient. That's why you wait and stay patient. I'm having a throwback day on the...
This could be like the same setup we took yesterday if it plays out.
Maybe we look for the reversal, or maybe we look for a close down here, then a short entry up here with stops above this high.
But this fair value gap form.
This is an exact example of why you wait for the confirmation to enter any trades. I never, especially with waterfalls to the downside, I very, very rarely will try to long that without confirmation. As a reminder, too, if you're trading on Alpha Futures, my code Jdun20 works for resets as well. Works for resets as damn. Is this going to give us an orb setup? This could give us an orb setup. It's technically speaking.
Yeah, I wasn't even watching the 15-minute range. You're right.
I'm gonna watch for a shorts entry up here. Let's see, the high of his is 835. We're still a ways away. A ways away from pre-market low too.
I'm a little hesitant to trade my funded account today.
What do you like, Gene? You always got a pretty good read.
I think that we come up and we go short.
That's kind of what I'm looking for too.
Unless we can close this 15-minute above the opening level. So which would be 763.
All right, let's see here. I wanted to see us go up a little higher, at least to this 50% retracement area.
I was Jdun. I like that as well, but I don't like it off this candle. I want to see this one close. Then
Yeah,
one more open.
Me too. Me too, bro. Me too. I need a massive trade today, guys. We got a lot of money to pay to the IRS.
Oh God.
$250K trade or nothing. I'm going all in. I'm going all in. It's either 2 Lambos today or none. Or negative. It's either to be buy 2 Lambos or I'm negative 2 Lambos. No in between. Riker needs toys, but the damn IRS is taking all his toy money. I don't like when we aggressively move back into a zone like this. I was looking for shorts in this area. We'll see.
Just
What?
quite a bit of volume on that green candle.
I know. That's what I'm worried about. That is what I don't like, Mr. Grizzly. It's not a candle I can short. Not at the moment. I guess you could arguably with a stop above like 806, but I'm not really feeling like forcing any trades.
I think the 30-minute range may be the way to go today.
It might be. It might be. As a reminder, guys, Alpha Futures is 20% off. I'm going to do my absolute best to find you guys a winning trade to make progress on your evals. Today and tomorrow only, you can use code JDUN20, JDUN20, for 20% off all Alpha Futures accounts. I recommend the 50K or the 150K
4 minutes until data.
advanced accounts because you have no consistency. You have no scaling plan. That's what makes it elite to top step. You want to use all your contracts? Go ahead and do it. They are basically the new Top Step 2.0. I'm a fan, big fan. You can use code JDUN20. It's pinned in the YouTube as well. Alpha Futures. Alpha Futures. Yep, JDUN20. I appreciate all y'all supporting, tapping in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why I didn't short that candle. You're looking at it right there.
We made a good call on that.
Yep. Yep. I was a little worried about that. The aggressiveness of that next candle. And then the volume. Yep. They also allow news trading too. That's cool. You guys like the music vibe today? The rock and roll? What are we thinking, chat? What are we thinking? You guys like the vibes today? This is all I listen to for the most part. Now you can trade news now. You can trade news. Is this going to give us a short entry, folks? It might. It looks okay. If we can hold this down here, here's the deal. If we can close this candle right around here, I'm open to trying a short with stops above 815, above that wick high. If we went above that, I'd have to stop for a loss. I have not entered, but that's what I'm looking at. If we get some confirmation and willing to try shorts with stops above that candle high, this candle high, excuse me. I like the shorts in here, guys. Let's see how we close this candle. Fuck, we have news, of course, in 1 minute. If we close this candle like this, gonna pop up, I'll try shorts. It depends on news. Of course, when we have a good setup, we got news. Of course. Wow. Let's see what this they give us on this candle. We're kind of back and forth with we're back and forth with this news, so we'll see. This is some dangerous price action right now.
Yeah, this is. This is some dangerous price action right now. Dangerous price action and strong coffee.
The zero plan's good too.
Combination.
If you want 1 day pass.
Let's see.
Zero plan is good too with Alpha Futures. You'll get 20% off using code Jdun.
Nice.
Jdun20, excuse me. Guys, I know the government shut down. But guess what? The trading machine ain't shutting down. We're just getting started, baby. We're just getting riled up. Come
What's
on
Grandma
now.
saying this morning, anything?
I'm not seeing a whole lot, bro.
I said, Grandma, she not calling any trades?
Oh, do we need to call Grandma and ask for an opinion? Is this... do desperate times call for desperate measures?
That may be the route we take. Have to take.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
I have a very, very serious and important question.
What?
Long
or short?
Okay.
Oh, all right. You went 2 shorts and 1 long. We'll see. You went long at 90. So it's long at 790. We'll see how that works out. I'll let you know how you did today.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Love you. Bye. All right. You heard Grandma. She likes the longs. Damn. And I like trading shorts. So just long it. Just send it. I don't know, Grandma. I'm not so sure about that one. She's 3-0 so far. She went long at 790. Grandma went long at 790. So we'll see. We'll see. Watch her get high a day.
This could be the high volume candle. She may be right.
That is hilarious. It just starts nuking. Just starts exploding from Graham's call. Graham, you're up 25 points. It just starts. Ain't no way this is going to high a day, bro. Ain't no way. I swear, dude, Grandma's a better trader than I am. Ain't no way, bro. Grandma's up almost 30 points. Grandma's up 30 points.
I should have really taken that like I did that last time.
Grandma's up 30 points. She says, give me more. Ain't no way we're going to just explode, bro. We break above high a day. Well, in all seriousness, if you took the signal from Graham's, be sure you're managing it. So I know some of you DGens probably did. Y'all are absolutely ridiculous with it, bro. I know some of y'all took it. Made 150 off Graham. Damn, bro. Grandma's going to take our jobs, Grizzly. We're about to go high a day. Literally goes long at 790, 30-point move. That is just absurd. We do have lower volume on that candle, which is a little sketchy for Graham's position, but the the overall body of it looks good. Two and 0 with Graham's. If she gets high a day, bro, she might just be the GOAT. There's a very high possibility. Would be 4-0. Longs paid with Grandma. Y'all are absolutely absurd. We're gonna see. This is Grandma's last redemption. This pre-market high retest. This pre-market high retest. Uh-oh, Grams. That's not what you want to see. I think we got to count. I think we got to count Graham's trade as a win, even if this was the short-term top. Almost 30 points. We bounced this pre-market high though. It looks good. I mean, if this ends up getting this wick up and this close above, we likely go test that 15-minute high range for sure. Well, not for sure, but there's a high probability. I think that's got to be a dub. Grandma's stop loss isn't. Let's find out. So, all right, need an update. Your trade went up 30 points. Are you putting your stop loss at entry, or are you just letting it ride into oblivion?
Wow.
No. What do you? What do you? No. What do you think? Do you put the stop loss at entry and play it safe, or do you just send it, full send it? What do you think? What would you do?
I would play safe.
Okay, so stop loss at entry.
Yes.
All right, just making sure. So you're still good. You still got some wiggle room. You still got about 17 points of wiggle room.
Okay.
I'll
Wiggle on.
Yeah, it'll wiggle on. All right. All right, bye.
Love you, Henpa.
All right, Grandma says play it safe. You heard the you heard the diagnosis. You got about 8 more points of wiggle room. Wiggle on. Wiggle on up. Oh, that's too funny. So basically, Graham's stop loss is at 790. Grams ain't playing around. As a reminder, everyone on YouTube, make sure you guys tap in at that subscribe button. I trade live every single day. And today and tomorrow only,
How we doing, Team Bull?
You can use code Jdun20 on Alpha Futures for 20% off all accounts. I like the advanced plans. Jdun20 for 20% off. It is only today and tomorrow. So if you like Top Step, you'll love Alpha Futures. If you're on YouTube or if you're on TikTok as well, you can head on over to YouTube and you get full screen share. The links are all there. Uh-oh. Grandma might be getting a move. Grandma might be getting a move. We bounced 7 points above her stop loss. Some good things about alpha futures too are they have higher payout caps. They have 1 and 2 day pass. There's no consistency in the advanced funded, which is great. Grandma's getting a move. Activation fees are the same as Top Step. Sometimes they run good deals for no activation fees, and they have no scaling plan. So that's a huge, huge plus to Alpha versus Top Step. Come on, Grandma. Come on, Grandma. Give her more points. She wants high a day. Stop loss for Grandma's at break even. It actually doesn't look bad for longs too in this area with stops below like 795. We'll see. Come on, do it for Team Bull. We need the grandma indicator to fire to high a day. Grandma wants mega trade. That would need to be. I'd need to go up to 890 then. That is absolutely absurd, bro. She's about to get high a day. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. We still got SPY in its 15-minute range. Where's the pre-market? There we go. There's pre-market high on SPY. We'll mark that out too. Don't da da don't da da don't da da don't. What do you say? Did you? Oh, Brandon took some longs too? Nice. Is ridiculous. Absolutely absurd. Grandma, it's getting high a day, bro. What is happening? Literally 4 for 4.
Getting ridiculous.
We got that. What up, Marky Mark? Thanks for being here. In the YouTube. Let's go. So we got that pre-market high hold, and we'll see if we can get some solid volume on the move up. I'm not going to lie, guys. I may or may not have taken Grandma's trade with some very small size. I want to buy Grandma's mentorship. All right. She'll do it for you for massage therapy membership and some cookies. See that, Gene? $200 per account on Top Step.
I made $785 per account.
Yep.
But I made $450 yesterday, remember?
I should lock myself out, huh?
Don't trade him anymore.
I know. I just like watching the charts. It's like watching the, Project X has really grown on me.
Really?
Yeah, I actually like it a lot.
I made a lot of improvements.
The code for Alpha is Jdun20. JDUN20 for 20% off all Alpha Futures accounts. You'll also get payout protection as well. So if anything ever gets held up with your payout, it shouldn't. I can reach out to their C-suite, get you taken care of.
What I like about Project X too is there's so many like
What's grandma's code? We need Nana trades. Yep, you get Tradeovate and you get Project X. As a reminder, TikTok, there's a lot of you guys on here. If you want full screen share, come on over to YouTube. It's a vibe. Jdun Trades, come hang out with us over on the tube. We stay vibing. You get full screen share with my trading view. It's much easier to see than this little stream. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna owe Grandma a real nice dinner after today's trade for everybody. A lot of buffering. I'm showing good connection. Wiggle gang. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
how does she have 100%
No.
right?
Jdun 20. It should only be like 4-second lag. Yeah, it should be good now. It should be good. Maybe it buffered a little earlier. It was getting used to it. It was getting all warmed up for the stream. Damn! Damn, Grandma, okay? Hi a day! Damn, Grams, let's go! Grandma with the absolute heat-seeking missile of a trade. Wow. Grandma with the absolute heat-seeking missile trade. That's what I'm talking about. That is wild. That is absolutely wild.
Grandma just retired someone's grandma off that trade.
Grandma with the absolute heat-seeking missile. Heat seeker. That's oh my gosh. 790 to 860. How? 70-pointer. That is insane. Yo, if y'all made some money in Team Bull, make sure you post your gains. Tag, say, shout out Grandma. She'll love to see that in the post your gains section.
We gotta be careful. We're gonna have prop firms coming after.
Y'all are gonna be getting emails. I'm sorry to say, but you engaged in copy trading of Grandma. Your account is terminated.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a code for Apex. It's code Jdun.
Not off
Code
this candle, but
JDUN
this,
is my
this
code. I also have
candle
a code
here
with funded
could
next.
confirm it. If we pull back, retest the 30-minute range,
But
get the close above, I may consider.
today the
Long
code is
entry,
Jdun 20 with alpha. Yep, best alpha account to get. I like the
That previous candle was the
advanced
breakout.
accounts
If you
because
want
there's no
breakout trades
consistency
for
on
orbs,
funded, so you don't have to worry about that. And the
I mean, you
50Ks
have
or the
your entry,
150Ks. You can
but I
only
don't
buy
like them.
3
I like
accounts
the
though.
retest.
You can only have 3 active fundeds. You can buy as many accounts as you like with the discount, but you can only have 3 active fundeds, which is actually a good thing for traders. Damn, the SEC is going to come for Grandma, giving out too many bangers. We got to see what Grandma's diagnosis is now. Yeah, that's insane.
Hello.
Your trade's up 70 points.
Is that good?
Yes, that's extremely good.
Yay!
Yeah, you're nuking it. You're absolutely nuking it.
Well, good.
You did a great job. You made a lot of people some good money.
Oh boy,
Well,
that's funny.
what do you think? Oh, you're almost at a mega trade. You're almost at 100 points. You're literally 90 points.
Wow. Neat.
Neat. That's very neat. Well, I just want to tell you that you're getting a 100-point trade. You're 4 for 4.
All right, dear.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Why are you telling me thank you? Love you. Thank you to me. What did I do? I mean, I'll take the thanks, but I didn't really do nothing. Wow, Tesla's ripping too.
Wish I would have that.
What?
I wish I would have had that.
I know.
Dude, I got in at like 6:03.
Grandma was 7 points from a mega trade. Literally 7 points. That's wild. That was wild. You like our music choice today, Gene?
Yeah.
I'm vibing today.
What's the next music now?
You want some mariachi?
No, not money. That's burritos.
Hey, Grandma made me a little money. Not a lot, but 200 per account on Top Step. We'll take it. Got 5,500 from Top Step. Made another rack on them total today between all the accounts. So as far as payouts, because that's like $500 because you can take 50%. I'm trying to go live with Top Step. Show that I can be a live trader. We'll see. I'm trading really small. I trade max typically. If I'm trading minis, only one mini with Top Step. Honestly, I mean, I've traded one mini or like 5 to 10 micros, and I've made $10,000 in payouts in the last 2 weeks. Why don't I trade at Apex? You think I don't trade at Apex? You don't think so? Have you not heard what I've been hinting at for a while now, for the last week? Something. Something, something, something. That was insane. That was very exciting. Very exciting. The big deal today is on Alpha Futures. You can use code Jdun20. It's the only code in the industry that gets you 20% off right now. You can have it to 3 funded accounts at a time. I got a fat payout coming. Fat payout. Well, I mean, to some people, I think it's fat. It's more than I used to make in a year, so. And most influencers can't do that. That's why, like, the only reason I'm remotely even trading, prop firms like this and getting, now it'll be, I can't tell you right now, but very soon you'll see massive amounts of payouts per month is that I wanted to prove I could do it. If you guys are trading prop firms and trading with me, I want to show you guys I can make significant money doing it. Because a lot of these influencers can't. They have a code, but they can't get a payout. Nonetheless, any payout that's worthwhile. It was more so of a proof thing for me. And it's fun making money from these props. And I got to pay this tax bill, man. I got to pay $250,000 to the IRS today. Can y'all believe that? Estimated payments. Be an entrepreneur, they said. Be a trader, they said. And they didn't tell you you're going to be paying a Lambo every 3 months and then some on top. Unreal. I sold my equity in FFF 7 months ago. I haven't had ownership in the prop for 7 months. This is wild. Grandma's literally about to get a 100-point trade.
What are you watching, Jdun?
I mean, right now, honestly, I got kind of caught up in Grandma's nuclear trade earlier. There was a few okay long setups like that. If you're on screen share, that retest pre-market high. Not so much retest to the 15-minute high. And that hold of the 50% retracement looked decent. But
I've got a short zone I'm watching. It goes short. It confirms. 24,913 is the top of the zone.
I agree with you, Chris. LLCs are not.
24,898 is the bottom.
You guys got to understand, if you make a lot of money, you're going to pay taxes. I don't want to buy a bunch of commercial real estate. No, he's talking about if you use an LLC to avoid taxes, which it doesn't matter. If you're a pass-through entity, you don't. Damn, Grandma's about to get a 100-point trade. That's wild. I need y'all to post your gains in the Post Your Gain channel. Say, shout out Grams.
You guys all need to send her money for tea.
She needs some money for tea. That is so funny. Literally, there was not even any drawdown. Just straight up. As far as new trades, I mean, we can look for pullbacks to this 15-minute high. Let's go see how we look at from the larger time frame. I mean, we do have some potential supply zones. 100-point trade for Grams. Wow. Where's the mega trade? Yeah. We're vibing today, Gene.
What about you doing, Butter?
You like my metal? You like the metal? Come on. Grams gets the mega trade trophy today. Go. Yeah. Need to buy an apartment building? Maybe. I'd rather do that than single family.
What about buy our own gym?
Yeah, buy our own gym. Yo, as a reminder, everyone on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube as well. Jdun Trades. If you're on YouTube, this is the best stream to be on for free. Thank you for being here. Also, you know what's coming up on October 6th, right? You guys know. You better know if you don't know. My free 3-day masterclass. Free for 3 days. I'm giving my entire system, my entire strategy. How many of you guys are registered? Who is all registered here? If you've already registered, let me know in the chat. How many of y'all are going to be here? Oh my gosh. Registered. Nice. Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. There we go. We got a lot of people coming. Clear your schedules. Next week, Monday,
Paying close
Tuesday,
attention
Wednesday
here,
evening.
Team Bull. We could confirm anywhere in this area up to that 913 area.
And if you're not registered, you can register below in the YouTube. I think Grizzly, do they give us the reversal?
This is the area if we're going to reverse. But the trade doesn't invalidate to like 914. So
Yeah, the 600 area on QQQ. Tesla, I should have been watching Tesla today. Missed a good one.
I had Apple and watched the upside, but it made the move without me. I missed it.
Let's see. Don't. Feeling good today. Feeling good today. Let's see if we can get either A, solid sign of reversal up here, or B, some sort of pullback for some longs. Either way, I'm happy with it. What do you say, Grizzly?
So I'm watching shorts here, but I still want to look for a bounce back down around that 30-minute range. 15-minute range high, both have the same.
Don't know. What do you think? The stream stopped. It's buffering. I don't know why it keeps doing that. It shouldn't. I don't know why. I have the best internet, literally. That's so odd. TikTok never let us down, though. I'm sorry that's happening. That's annoying. I'll try to fix my settings this evening. That's odd. Oh my gosh, what a ripper. What an absolute ripper.